Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol JNUG. We'll take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I did this analysis yesterday, so that's where these annotations are coming from, specifically that green line right there. And I don't want to recap everything I said in yesterday's video just because I realized some of you watched that one. But the big thing I talked about was, the green line in terms of being this important level of support right here around the 750-ish area, give or take. And, I didn't sit here and say that it was guaranteed to bounce, but I did say if there was a bounce, that really wouldn't be shocking given the past history of the chart. And I'm going to extend this chart out anyways for later on in the video, so we might as well do it right now. But let's, like I said, extend things out here. And this will mean a little bit more sense as to what I was talking about earlier. And you can see that the past times the price was down here, bounced, multiple times. And then once again, today has bounced. So good to see that the 750-ish area is indeed holding as support. If the price cannot hold above here and the price rolls back over, the next key level of support to keep an eye on down here at the 675 mark. I am now going to zoom back in because since the price is apparently trying to bounce at least somewhat, I do want to map out some overall areas of resistance. The overall area I should note is that purple line there. I can't remember if I talked about that in yesterday's video or not, but in the event I didn't, that's going to be the key level. Now I realize that this purple line's way up here and the price is way down there. Keyword here being moving average. So as time goes by, that line is going to continue to move its way downwards, and that'll be the overall level to keep an eye on. But before you even worry about that one, there's another level that is going to first need to be broken. And that level is just simply where the kind of party stopped today on the bounce, and that sits right up there around $8.35. You can see there. Bulls try to push up above it, but just couldn't quite do it. So some interesting price action here. Price is definitely going sideways, trying to form some sort of bottom. So we'll see if it can turn upwards. If it does turn upwards, 835, public and enemy number one. If this is just a pause before the next plunge down, then that's where 675 is worth keeping an eye on. So a lot of eyeballs on this one still. Good volume, good price action. So we'll see what happens with it. One of the most popular questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together this free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then by all means click right there to get access to the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and like I say, it is free. Thanks for watching. Have a good one.